Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of digital smart frames with a special focus on the ViewClix Digital Smart Frame. This innovative device is not just your ordinary picture frame. It's equipped with advanced features tailored for seniors, making it a standout product in the market. Let's start with the basics. The ViewClix Digital Smart Frame boasts a large 15.6-inch screen, ensuring that your photos and videos are displayed in stunning clarity. Whether it's precious family moments or cherished memories, this frame brings them to life like never before. Now, what sets the ViewClix apart from traditional frames is its impressive array of features designed specifically with seniors in mind. First and foremost, it's incredibly easy to use. There's no need for extensive training or tech-savvy skills. With ViewClix, seniors can effortlessly stay connected with their loved ones. To unlock the full potential of the ViewClix, a Premier membership is required. At just $9.95 per month, the Premier membership offers benefits like the Premier warranty with free accident repairs, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. The ViewClix is equipped with a range of user-friendly features. From auto-answer video calls for a hands-free experience to the ability to share photos and video clips from anywhere using the free ViewClix mobile app, staying connected has never been simpler. Privacy is paramount with the ViewClix. Only users added to the frame's private share list can connect and share content. Plus, all video calls are encrypted and never recorded, ensuring a secure and intimate connection with your loved ones. And let's not forget about customer support. ViewClix takes pride in being an American, family-owned company, with US-based support available to address any questions or concerns you may have. With a price tag of $299 for the 15.6-inch model, the ViewClix Digital Smart Frame offers exceptional value for what it delivers. It's more than just a picture frame. It's a lifeline that keeps families connected, especially in today's fast-paced world. And that wraps up our review of the ViewClix Digital Smart Frame. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, stay connected and stay tuned for more.